Fresh legal troubles loom for controversial Nigerian figure Idris Okuneye, known as Bobrisky, as an investigative panel recommends new criminal charges following his recent prison sentence. According to reports obtained by Sunday Punch, the panel, chaired by Interior Ministry Permanent Secretary Magdalena Ajani, has called for defamation charges against Bobrisky over claims that he served his 6-month sentence in a private apartment. The investigation was launched after a viral footage emerged, where Bobrisky allegedly claimed to have bribed EFCC officials with 15 million naira to drop money laundering charges and allegedly paid correctional service officials for special treatment. While the panel found no evidence of Bobrisky serving time outside Kirikiri Custodial Center, their report recommends the Department of State Services to investigate the bribery allegations. If substantiated, Bobrisky could face additional charges under the Corrupt Practices Act. In a significant development, the investigation has led to the indictment of 4 prison officers, including former Controller of Corrections Ben Rabi Freeman, for improper documentation and unauthorized transfers during Bobrisky's imprisonment. As reported by NaijaNews, Bobrisky was initially sentenced on April 12th for naira abuse and released on August 5th. Now faces potential legal consequences for allegations that have drawn attention to Nigeria's correctional system. The panel's recommendations include a comprehensive audit of all inmates and detainees across Nigeria's custodial centers, alongside reforms to strengthen oversight of prison operations. Stay informed with more news updates at NaijaNews TV.